What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN multi-chain store in Cincinnati, Ohio. We getting more in scale modeling, all right? But this is my like video question to advanced modelers, or I guess because I'm not. I'm more electronic guy, but I thought will be relatively simple. But the trouble is, and I hope you can see that diagram well. All right, so Tamiya RC 135, very nice model. I really like it. The trouble I have with that gear assembly, okay, bear with me, I'll try to explain. So if we're taking that motor, actually let's start with this diagram real quick. As you can see here, so it contains a final assembly of actually 3 pieces. That shaft, if I may call it, okay, bear with my terminology too. That gear, nope, here, and that in Russian called probably vtulka. I think it's like a spacer. All right, so what Tamiya asking, and if Tamiya, please help me too. Tamiya watching, but I just putting back that channel together so we can do more fun stuff. Anyway, so the problem is, see that, oopsie, I have to have that manual next to me. So that flange, if we call it next to all those gear 2 thing, okay. So check this out. So what they asking, to put that flange and that probably proper way on that right motor. And believe me guys, I swap it, like I spent probably half an hour try to do different ways, but no. So at this point, this is a left motor. See the gear here facing this way, and those locks, not sure how it's in English, special locks facing this way. So it's left definitely. All right, so that's the same left. Actually turn, oops, upside on the other way. Okay, so they showing, make sure this is matching hole in the back here. Okay, when you're screwing, I'm not worried about this because I did actually screw in it. It's like perfectly fine. Now see that flange? I cannot put it physically the other way, seriously, because of the, so it's supposed to be like this here, but it's not. Tell you why. Because there is no space between this. Actually, I kind of almost got it, but see the angle of that gear like completely, and it locks. It's no way. Not sure if Tamiya, I don't think so. I ever saw a mistake myself, but means tell me if I'm wrong. And again, I'm just kind of beginner. Anyway, especially with that RC stuff, the only way I can put, so the unit in correct position, if we're thinking it's correct position here, so that I'm not sure it's exactly matching this. So if we turn it around and see what's happened, this is wrong. It's supposed to be like going here, so it's supposed to be, excuse me, it's supposed to be here, but to make it work, it's here. Then spacer, okay, so this and this is not matching, because if we look, so I'm here, this is on my right and this is on the left, supposed to be. Turning around, that's correct, except the rotation. So anyway, finishing, long story short, excuse me, long story short, I before I'm finishing, see the ratio, how this gear moving, this and this looks like to me, and the motor rotating like nothing, and when I test the motor, it's like fast. I don't know what's the revolution, but very, very, very high RPM. So my point is, if I put that gear on that side, the model probably starts running like 50 miles an hour. I'm not kidding. Yes. So what I did finish assembly like that, install it, okay, secure with special thingy here, okay, locker or whatever you call it, yes, with the wheel properly, okay. So it's all good, no extra movement and no surprises, and actually run it, and I saw it's actually pretty good speed, okay, means it's not like no. I think I need to assemble the whole thing, then test it in that position. Now, finishing pretty much right now, because I don't think so I'll get the answer right away. Somebody from Tamiya or distributors somehow get to this video. I really need help. Just make sure it's assembled right. Means maybe it's mistake in the diagram. Again, it's just my guess. So lower a little bit the lights. Also, it's only this way you can assemble it and it will be operational. I try to do something like opposite. Show you real quick. To this gear and almost like close to the highest gear, so and it's not freely it's kind of, it's something, that gear on the way of that flange, sorry if you see it, so something holding it, something wrong, okay, so there is no way to freely move it. You saw I moved it before with a different position, like this position. I'm pretty good on this right now. I can put like small conveyor assembling those guys. Yes, so that's the only one position I can, it's operational. See, it's the gears free, everything's cool, okay, no problem. So it's only one way to work it right. So I'll put it back together. Excuse me. I did in Russian in my Russian channel, just in case somebody can help me. But again, so this is left motor, okay, everything, this position, this spacer is here, gear this way, and it's rotated. Okay, it's this flange, it's not against the body here. No, it's only here, and it's only way it can work. Okay guys, patiently waiting for the answer. I'll probably wait till weekend is over, probably send that video to Tamiya, and so far I just stuck with this. Next step, if I didn't get the answer, means I'm doing nothing wrong. What I'm going to put model together one more time, means all wheels and everything here. I need to test it anyway, so make sure it's good. Then I will test it with both motors and all wheels and trucks. Thanks for coming, supporting business. We'll do more. We'll do more stuff. Definitely we're getting more stuff from Amo by Mick Jimenez. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.